guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. If you are new, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell and like this video. Please do share to all your family members. Make them know say if you go over YouTube and watch Kiera TV for the best Jamaican movies. Also, still await for somebody. So if you act the obsession part 2, so if you want to act, remember, link us up. You can link me up or you can link up Toga. The link over there down in the description box below where you can reach us at our social media platforms. And one more thing before we go, thanks to everybody who already reached out to donate to Rashan's mother and her surgery. Really appreciate it. So on go and watch a movie, enjoy and stay safe out there and big up on yourself. Thank you. One more thing guys before we go watch a movie. Go over to Kiera and Toga TV, one new movie over there. I don't know if you watch it yet. They deported the link over there down in the description box below. Go and go watch it. And one more thing, sorry for you holding up. Kiera's fashion launching soon over Instagram, and go and go follow. The link over there down in the description box below. I have a whole pass up my cell phone case, LED light, wallpaper, sticker for up on the wall, birthday balloons, a big foil aluminum balloon them, yeah, everything, bag, clothes, everything. So just come over there soon and very soon, though not now, soon and very soon. And then you just go and turn on the post notification bell and follow, and then when time things they start post and we see them.
I'm going to check out what I want for you.
No, so me alright, do mom just say they are going to chill out and watch a movie. Then same time me a call. So you take your medication and everything?
Yeah man, everything Chris.
You sure?
Yes.
So you eat something before you come up here? But you have to eat something before you take your pill.
Yeah. Eat, I'm going to take my medication and I'm good.
Oh. So mom make me change the counter in the kitchen. You want to look at it?
Yeah man.
Because it didn't look kind of bad, so I change it.
Go and look on the mat there. Let me go. You're going to meet you in time, yeah?
Alright, go on.
You take a part of Johnny.
Hello. Oh, yeah, look for Matt.
Over here?
Most of we can help you look for you and for.
Oh, so I'm alright. My sister, I'm away for another one.
So your name though?
My name is Kiera.
Yeah. So a nice name though, I'm Rashan.
Nice to meet you. Sure, you can get my number, but come over and talk me now, like alright, you're so fair.
Come on. Look nice though. What's your name?
My name is
Basic. Nice name you have though, I'm Rashan. And nice to meet you. So, how much you live around here?
not necessarily, but I live close by, I guess. But yeah, I mean, my sister there, so I'm going to meet up with her.
Oh. You can't wait till this one come, but you can get a number. We can continue a conversation.
Yeah, you can get the number. But why you just want me number so?
I'm gonna put my number in your phone.
Alright. How long do you have to
No, I'm here, Tato. No, just reach the backside.
So how was the date today?
Girl, I believe it was 2 hours. I go and then have something to do with them. I have to wait for my book. You see something by that place, so I'm going to fill me a bag.
Not even there look, girl.
Really? Then, when me and you remember me in birthday because of the market there?
Mm-hmm.
Are you go check out something?
At that time there?
No, this one me and
Oh.
the girl in the cashier part go ask them something. I see this young man, oh, hello brown in my like, carry it,
Yeah.
tell me number something, girl, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, I still hard work already. I don't know if I go, but if me, you know, I have to just. But anyway, tell me, so I give me number and him a chat and I say rate him. But times I don't have time for that because I did come back and meet up with him. You know that supermarket, that big old backside, I never want to last and all that.
So girl, when you left me and gone, and me I got cash after me I come from a meet shop, I buck up on this boy. I tell him how much he like me and he admire me. So me I say if you like somebody we don't know. And he must say I want to get to know me and something. I don't want a nigga, you know, but he seems like a nice person, so you know I give it a chance because I'm tired to be single.
So how you know one day? No man something alright.
Like I feel we lucky
I feel
day.
lucky day.
Yes, girl.
So yes about you, you like him at all?
Girl, I'm gonna like him and I don't know him, but
No one supermarket.
he say one carry. He say one carry me for one day
You
later.
work in a supermarket or just one customer?
No, I guess I shop in there shop because I try him a push. I shall me see him and
Oh, I
something.
know working the then.
And he say one carry me out later. But you know a long time I don't go, I just dead from me and Enjoyyy left. I just dead in the house and depressed. So I give it a try.
Well, that not sound too bad tonight. That means I'll just go and do it or whatever. Well, you want to didn't meet him say I'm going to bring me out tomorrow. He said, would I bring me out tonight, but him mother sick and he would have to stay there today, kind sister work. So tomorrow.
Yes, girl. Well, as long as we're happy, that's all that matters. You understand? So
Hey, it's going to miss it away neighbor.
you're just eager, so you can't stay with it, little. Come on.
Come on.
Kiera. Kiera.
Rashan. What you doing on that song?
No, sir. Son, come out of son. My sister live up an apartment up and need up there, that's why I don't know so where I live.
Yeah, where some live right there. So which apartment your sister live? You want to understand?
The one up on the hill, so man.
Yeah, around there my sister live, but maybe my sister don't even know your sister.
I say,
My sister is a person like this from work to home. She not really friendly like that. I just me her best friend, you understand?
yeah.
Yeah.
But everything alright.
Yeah, you know, so I shop me I go which way I go.
Over me, I go man. I'm just check out something, so I go for me. I go.
So what time we go later?
In the evening, man, we make you know. We take time, make you know.
Alright, I can go look body now before my sister come. Because I know she'll come back tired. So I make sure so she have something to eat when she come.
Oh.
I'm glad the food is nice and the ice cream and something. I'll know my belly full. But it's so nice though.
You know, you enjoy yourself, man.
You know, see, I first me I come over here actually.
Yeah, you can walk, go place if you want to.
No, sir. Like it get dark, I know my sister soon come. So I'm going to
Oh,
buy
so
something
come on.
for her. Aye.
As you reach, me know how was it? Because you weird with there on me at that time, you see you come and
Me just reach back.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like you get
Oh, look how my ear pull up because this probably go. I want seaside, so breeze there blow one bag or something. But it's alright, sweet ice cream, be a thing girl. He seems like a nice guy. I'm not really stingy the money, can know me, you know, like stingy man. You know, like with something there. So, but it did nice, girl. When your boyfriend say I carry you out?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
So you look where I wear everything?
yeah, me want to check it before me leave and then come back and check making everything.
Yes, girl. Okay, no, so we have to keep one in the updated or something. But finally find the money.
Listen.
That man did done. But anyways,
God,
I can't wait for you to meet you. I'm going to meet your
Very
boyfriend too. What?
And me did a cook curry shrimp with mashed potato.
But you know, so I want that same way. So just give me a little time make this one where you're with my body. Can know me want. You know, a long time I ain't find a long time I still man cook. So you know me I want some food.
You have one road still.
Alright.
To watch me pot. So
Me go
later,
be and go
bloody
sleep.
enjoy.
Alright, me not follow you go this one.
No.
Cause me tired. Alright.
You tired now?
So yeah, so me come think about life.
Me like it. It's
Alone
beautiful.
never tell anything I still alone never for
So that this is your favorite place or something like that?
Yeah, my favorite spot.
Oh, me like it, man.
Go
Nice.
look on the view.
Yeah, man, the pretty.
Yeah.
Anyways, the food and everything is nice and the ice cream, especially strawberry that cream, I love it. So now that's the way I can bring you.
Can walk go to say front yeah?
Come on. Anyways, it was fun while it lasts.
Oh, this, why you look so happy?
Girl, you make me nice to go.
So what happened now? Tell me about it. When you want your cool off?
So we gonna eat food. We go to our favorite spot when you show me.
Which one that? You don't know
I
any?
don't even know any. I don't remember. I did just so caught up in that moment. I don't know any, so you have to ask place. And as we reach so, he just let me off and go home. I just step right over here.
Yes. So we get ice cream and some?
You know, so I don't really like this, but yeah, we get ice cream, not really ice cream, like milkshake, strawberry duck, and then we eat food, fries, jerk, chicken, wally.
So you could consider me and carry a piece of bone for me? A joke.
You know, go yesterday.
Whatever. So, he seems nice.
You are a nice guy.
And he spend money.
You are not afraid to let it go. And you know, so I mean, may of we say that we don't like stingy man. So
Exactly.
let it go.
Time too serious we are doing
We
that,
have some
man.
meaningful conversations and everything there, right? They'll probably go back when I have tonight. I'm not sure it, I think about.
So you not have work a morning? Yeah, girl. What speed you run there, so? You want to go back every night and go and left me? Is that right? So
Me
moving.
agree on go be. You cook now?
Me not cook anything for you.
But me hungry again, you know what I mean? I was going to spot over there and chat for 1 hour and
Then-
walk out here road and one place.
Me the plan till later me go down to Burger King. and
Alright,
get
we can do
something.
that then. Alright, so we are there and come back.
Yeah, later. I go and watch your show.
listen, I come on here and I look fit.
The truth?
Yeah, I'm
Can't stop doing it.
them so far.
Well, I really and truly apologize. Me always busy with work. If you realize, me not even get one chance to talk after date night or nothing. But anyways, I like your house nice, but sorry if you make you come around my house and call up for me and see me. Me
I
never
say
hate
go,
me
man.
and me and never. So we're going with it differently and where we are going to go from this.
Well, I know, say, I could am there, I'm alright though. Can't have to just give thanks to life every day, you know. But if you want to go out tonight again, you can do that if you want. Although I know say I always come from work and tired more time, but if you want to go out tonight, I not do that, I'm free tonight.
Well, we can go tonight, yes, because last time we got it was nice, but I did there and I did it one day I did kind of teeth because I tell them I'm sick and right now it kind of, I don't know, I kind of feel tired, I feel exhausted, but fine, we can go out, it's fine. Sorry if we come look for you in a night though.
You
See,
man,
lock
that
up your
good
house and
man.
everything.
But you know, say, I enjoy myself though.
Yeah, me too,
I
it was
enjoy
nice.
myself, man, you know. Them things that just nice to do. You know.
So, we're going to head home now and then change.
You know,
Yeah,
you
what
got hurt.
tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, I go out here.
Yeah, man.
No, I don't like today. I come home late, but I like that little bike adventure sitting there.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man.
Ride bike and then you can eat food and drink. I first me even know so that place is there Portland and I live at Portland.
Jojo,
Yeah.
they're on good well. You know, it's already the third time I believe.
So,
76 now.
what?
The boy like say, what?
Listen. So, we can see what we're tonight.
You know, still can't sleep for tonight though, cause if I grow my mother go sleep, cause she need to feel good for the day.
Alright then, that's alright then. So, I'm going to social. Yeah, then they go to.
No. Told right now, you see.
Okay. One thing to your water and your food cold. Water and your food cold.
I'm on the sunlight.
Alright, so. Thanks. Bye.
But you like burn that you go there,
Yeah.
and that then there's a country. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I have it. Let's lay up on alone there. Listen, we can come pick you up. We go up by our drink and chill back at your place. My father, you want to get ready? Alright.
I couldn't bed pull up. So what now?
You see me alright, bro. Time I later now, I can't go up and you can't see Papa.
Of course, like I hear house this too. You can sleep up here, of course. And worse like how we just don't drink and tipsy, you know. And rain a fall, you know what I feel for now.
What?
Rain a fall and we tipsy and stuff. You know we are big people.
True, man. Babe, I have to deal with it with my mother. I never remember, I just remember. So later me call you.
Next time we meet Mrs. Sally.
Yeah, next time.
Never really did go work. Them never gave me a boyfriend he go out. And then he say he never did have to go home yet cause him mother alright. So I say, alright, let me come and care meet my sister. And as we just learn the gate, he say remember say I forgot a pharmacy before that. Go buy something for your mother. So you're gonna get fishy. So I guess till next time I say go.
Yeah.
It depends on yes. So where you go?
You know, see I buy some cook feet or we want. I say I buy fish.
Where you buy that?
Fish. So
Not
come
like
follow
it.
me, no?
Alright, come.
One me tell you say, I did two sisters one time and I never know.
Roshan, it's bad that you have the two sisters. And that can work, you know. I don't know why I go to car. That can work.
I'm not gonna rap more man, everything cool. None of them don't even know. I go check them, check on and check on the run. I say, no, go on. Yeah, alright, they don't know.
So what I'm doing when they find out what one?
I say nothing wrong, nothing wrong, everything smooth. But one reason why I there the two of them I try to book them same time. I just go to the supermarket for bikes and I walk around so I see her, I see the next one. So I just get the number and talk to the two of them same time. I told them I find out say they're my sister. Because I get me over here and I see the next one I come out. So I have to rush come back up here.
Then your mind couldn't tell us that then I have the resemblance that nothing.
No.
You could have really say, well then, I'm pitting or two pitting look alike or something.
Like me, I say, Mom, I know they look different. One kind of light skin and one a brown in. So I couldn't know. One year pink, dye out in a pink or red or something. So I couldn't know.
But, Roshan, my face a problem I'm going at this. You know.
No problem now in that moment.
May I come go in my yard?
Alright. Let's see.
Come. Come in, man. You're going like a stranger.
I just respect, man, you know. Body in this. Yeah, cook up.
You know, some rice and peas, they have cook and me just a boil peas.
Oh, yeah, cook rice and peas, boy. You know, rice and peas, tell me for us rice and roast. Yeah, if me there, we can match up some.
Eh, I never know say you come. Somebody just buy something for me and my sister alone. She gonna just have to come back. If me didn't know at that, I think you not say money and come.
We just pop up
Yeah.
and that's the right time, you know. But anytime right. You always talk about your sister though. How your sister look? Like you love your sister though, you know.
Of
You know
course.
a picture we can see.
My sister not even like take picture. Every day I cause about the same thing. I not have one picture on my phone with her. But my sister nice, she brown and she dyed her hair in her this pink. Let me
Pink?
yeah. So what? Where I say
No,
that?
I don't really like it. Die up business.
My sister pretty nice. You want to see my sister in her pink hair. You will get to meet her soon. But you can't stay. So when my sister come, you will see her. And
No man, me can't go stay so long. Man.
you always the pan rush when you come here.
I don't know rush man, I just me have a pharmacy if you go, I don't want time catch up on me, you know. So I wait out you know.
You always a pharmacy figure. You always a pharmacy figure.
No man, I have to make sure things right. Take care of my mother. My mother always come first. Tell her that. So me text her later. Just relax man.
Alright.
The smelly escovish.
You're too extra. I didn't even start with the fish yet. Come on, come here, man.
Girl, I can't manage to eat in your kitchen. You can't come out so you have to watch a piece.
Yes, I have to watch it. So what? I don't know where this belly come from all of a sudden.
I can't meet that boyfriend of yours.
And then you just there all the every time. It come like we don't see each other. Every time in there and left, you come.
No, like some people bedroom. So, what am I say again? Oh, me only need the rent receipt for borrow. Cause I want one account and I need to use it as proof of address. Because I can't bother with this. Them say me need to want my account to get paid through because I'm gonna stop getting money just like that. So you have to go give me that. You have to find one.
Girl, right now I feel sick like dog.
I'm going shopping about 6 you know.
I just feel like
Box slide. Oh, keep. Girl, I keep with you.
girl, I feel like I threw me in off from morning.
Sure, you need to get a people stick and call you.
Which people stick, girl? We're always careful.
So you say anything sweet guys? How are you sweet now? Rather, you need to get a people stick.
I tell us you're too extra and you're too extra.
You're
You're way
extra
too extra.
excited.
I just feel like a gas coming in from morning.
Stop talking about gas. Gas
Girl, you're too extra.
Gas like you vomit on a wall boy. You
Eh.
feel sick. I'm on in sickness. Hey! Listen to me. Me done with the joking now. Tonight, you call them and tell them to come check it tomorrow. I tell them say you're pregnant because you're pregnant. Come on, go look on it, please. I'm gonna turn it on. Everybody, you got
I don't know why we sell it.
fine. So no know what kind of process this I want to go. This last time I grown after we done you dinner. I mean one year food. I just have a meat. Right now I come to borrow you.
Yes, so I think this is growing them gastroenteritis. I feel like I okay, because how you talk if you have a mix, and you're going to be more pregnant. I mean, no, say I can't pregnant, you're mad.
I don't know what go. Anyways, I come say me I come borrow the bag the way I have and then me I go to pharmacy or me I go to doctor and see when you can tell me. Because you know sometimes me have a meeting and me afraid bad me have to go to doctor same time. So come give me bag right now me I go bed and me I go to doctor because me can't manage my sitting here.
Actually, I know I feel weak right now. I have to sit down and sit down and see me. What I do. Come on, anyways. Come man. Come feel weak. Come on, more pregnancy, just extra.
Pregnant, you're pregnant. Oh, I mean, you're pregnant.
You know, so last time I have a meet straight, and my sister, she had told me about me pregnant. When I tell her, I say, yes, this man will early make it up.
I guess, man.
Oh, please. You know what you do. Like, this man will make it up. I'm going to a pharmacy to buy pregnancy test. I'm pregnant. But I'm not telling my sister because she's too extra.
You're pregnant?
Yeah, so why you not so excited? Like,
So that I'm a jar what?
what do you mean by all that happen? Like, them man just. What do you mean by all that happen? Seriously? Me can't believe you.
I don't like me not happy, you know.
You don't happy, like me see it, you're not
Me
happy.
happy. But me just say all that me not good.
You don't know, maybe some get Rebecca. I look at one night when you talk with tipsy when you come from 5 days. I will frost and I do that. You don't know what can happen.
True.
Ah.
So, you don't tell nobody.
No, you're the first person I tell which my sister should be first person, but you're the first person.
Don't tell nobody yet, man. Just keep it on a low.
Seriously, keep it on a low, so what that's supposed to mean?
You know, I don't really say me I make tell you behind, you know. Me just I said keep it on a low if you know.
First thing first, as my sister reach for work, my sister I got know. So, I don't know what you talk about. And then, this is something we can't hide because it's something we are come. I don't know where you're really up to. Like, you did enjoy the sex and everything. And from tell the same, my pregnant things just change.
Nothing not change. Me just, alright. Tell who you are tell.
This come like I'm here, I'm not going to do this. But if that's the case, I know me and my sister.
And I like, you have it wrong, you have it twisted and all. Tell who you are tell.
It's alright, man. You don't have to fight yourself. You can just go on because this does not make a sense no more. You can just leave. I mean, even want my sister to go say, if my sister ever come out here, you go and she'll get dark. So I bet you want for my sister come.
You see, if I'm my youth,
if I hear youth, what do you mean by if I hear youth?
I don't know if you listen to me.
Listen, let me get dark in
this.
this.
Girl sneaking, so I tell me, say,
and you alone, when family come out to that relationship, and you alone me I talk to. You alone, my sister can tell you that.
Me there every day, me don't know where they are though. Me know where they are though.
Me tell you say, go on before my sister come, you know, because my sister come and hear you talk like this, you're not going to like you. Say, better you go on.
Remember, say, for my youth.
You're going to live to regret it, you hear? Because you're not going to see this spit in your mind. You're not even going to know when you're born. You're not going to know when you're born. You go on. I don't know what I get myself now.
Let's see how they appear. Girl, if you ever know what I'm to me.
Remember you I'm pregnant?
Yeah.
I take one test this morning and
Yeah, you're pregnant. You know what I'm telling you, you talk about gastroenteritis. You're pregnant.
And
so why you look so sad? You're supposed to be excited. Way, my big sister pregnant.
excited if only the baby father was as excited as
Me.
me not even know what to say. No. Like, me call him over here to tell him I'm pregnant and his reaction was like, you know, like him not say it, but like him reaction like he must him forget rid of it. Like, He not happy, to be honest. Him go on like he happy, but deep down, me say not happy. Like our biggest mistake this
Me could have come on in there. Me get to nasty.
Me tell him say if you go on before you come in, because I know if you ever come out here or him a go on, I know say I get real dark.
So what you mean? What you mean that him
like he not want it. And him a go say, you know what the little boy, what the boy say? If I fee him. Like him a the only man me there with. What I mean by if I fee him, what that's supposed to mean?
How you find that they all fat pick up, that they're struggle? It's alright, sis, don't worry and I'm stressed. Remember, your sister I work at IT department. I have money for loads. Me and you, we take care of this. Best auntie and best mother. And plus, me pregnant too, so you know what I say.
You what?
Yeah,
a liar, tell.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, we make
so
this I'm sorry one time.
Me don't know about me glad, so you know, say, two we got to pick you around the same time.
Why, mommy should have alive 50 way?
Me I tell you that would have been
like,
come on, cheer up yourself and come on, come go in and stop stress over man. Man and dog.
Every time I come in place, I look.
Relax. You say, my sister pregnant, you know? And she told me, she told her baby father, and him go on in the way and I see no female something. And it kind of pissed me off, and guess what? The good news when come to them, they feel like excited again. But me now I forgot about my sister baby. Plus food baby, got me pregnant.
Yeah?
Why you being so excited but you don't have to ask extra? We're pregnant to finally happy. So why you not look happy? Why aren't you happy?
You sure am you with that?
Nobody come with this foolishness, you know. I'm in a sorry, I'm a hard working girl. But God, when I come back, you see me and mess with me, you still like me, you carry me up and home and you date, you carry me later than you bed. I ask me, look here, don't get me mad, I same thing. My sister told me, say, real father, you know, come do the same to come, we murder you, you know what owe me.
When you find out say you're pregnant?
I found out I'm pregnant yesterday. Not even yesterday. Told them go to doctor. And my sister, she find out this morning, she said she never tell me. Me vomit last night, she vomit yesterday with the diarrhea, and I want to go and tell her something. This the
So how come this happen?
You tell me how come it happen.
We not use rubber every time?
Me said don't like use rubber. Me not more to you know. Because you talk about insurance. Just make sure you know say I run medicine, me have money high up so lie upon you. So make sure you know we are there. Remember let me place you up like. And you see, you deny Pitney, you go see what go up the same thing you come up and take care of her and buy some new sheet and curtain. Because them want they have new.
We just ask you a simple question and say everyone.
What I mean, I live in a place. May I have the next transition tomorrow? I have work a little later.
God, I get myself in a door, God. Jesus, please help me out. Right, I'm sick, mother tell me, you know.
You can't believe it. Me right now, you know how long I left up on the idiot boy there? Remember some left and Thursday I'm going to make you know Ray, right? When I go up there, he must say, when I tell him in the kind of thing like this. You say what, you shocked? Ray and if you show my youth. So I say what kind of cross is this? First you know what me, then the first I feel when I deny you know what. I say I clean my piece of cussing and say I say let's say I say the time I deny people be your baby and say man I forgot grow up and take care of you, make you change your sheet and the curtain because one sheet and curtain in my house.
I one sheet and curtain my man have to. From me go and feel me I do one curtain out and the one sheet. Enough time go to make your Lysol off the bed. Never man not easy.
Right now to my bed she just say me I go come tell them me I grown tomorrow morning I need to go work tomorrow because this a heat and I probably go work until my boss are good. So me grown and I come out early in the morning come check it. Right now I just a grown, clear my head and come back. Right?
But you know we have to put a stop it to this. We can't make it for them get when me done a baby father and me that say alright you would have be the one for the day help me. No fear baby father. We have to put a stop it to some one of them. Two of them. have to think about what I could do.
Tomorrow I may get her. I'm going to book. So do you tell ya?
Alright, I'm gonna buy it.
Mommy, come on, your sticks.
Yeah.
Rashad, myself, my one.
But I'm glad to see you come, but see, remember the time when you there tell me, say, if you left your two sisters, them,
Hey,
you never listen to you, and now two of them get pregnant.
why you say so?
Two of them pregnant, right? I not even know what to do, mommy.
Oh, Jesus of mercy.
So what you don't advise me if you don't know? Because I don't know what to do right now, and me tell one of them all know already say, like, me no want it already, because through me date confused, me just like me I tell her say, enough for me.
But Roshan, that can't work. Remember, say me did tell you, me the
Me
warn
know,
you,
mommy.
Where you get yourself in now?
Right now, mommy stress out. It just dip on my brain. Made that hurt me last night.
So how you gonna do about that?
Boy, me have to go get a work, cause them done did it already. Although me I say, I know, maybe for me two of them, but me go there, so me have to just take responsibility and just do what me have to do. Me already there, so me type up some resume if it's send out. So, me already I make a step already for just sort out what I go on.
All you have to do, just sort out yourself, get one little work, because remember that today now go be sister alone. It will be auntie and niece, so you know that go.
For true, mommy, true.
And don't worry yourself, because what done already cannot be undone. All you have to do is sort out yourself, get a little work, and do what you can do. So, I can't stay no longer with them. I'm going to go cook.
Alright, mommy, me check you later.
Alright.
Alright, remember to take your medication.
Yeah, man.
We can't forget rid of that boy, yeah. I'm really happy to find something to do. Me can't just breathe me and get with some. Me know what to do. It's alright. Hello? Rashan, you can come over my house, please. Me not feel good. I feel like I want to go to hospital. Just come now, please. God forgive me, but me just have to do this.
So I'm here.
Me never feel good, but from me say, come on, I feel better. A long time I'm not saying, sit down now.
But I the foolish man.
Sit down, you want something to drink?
Yeah, boy, give me some drink, man. Come come up here. Dinner, I'm there going to eat it.
Stop going so. Me go for some. Why it take so long?
You waiting so long, man. I'm thirsty, you know, man.
You still get it. Drink and be merry. So, no plan for name me. Drink now, why you still look at me? You plan for name me baby. You want a plan to have this little baby. Me just can't wait for me too.
You can't name anything, man. Anything you can.
What happened?
Where you put it on this?
In by me putting it. You know much me pay for that juice. Take up we have to stop drink for. Take up the juice and drink. I mean I know take up the juice and drink.
There is something in the drink.
No, not in the juice. I must be kind of hungry and then you drink the cold juice. Drink it. Drink the juice and stop one so. Nice thing baby father. Drink up and drink the juice and stop one. So I the hungry and the juice cold. Drink the juice. Hello. Get up. Licky. Get up. Start out now. What happened? What happened? What happened for you, baby? What happened?
Action.
Me a wait now. You know for licky, yeah man. Start talk.
I'm there with the sister and you.
You there with me what?
I'm ready to on.
My sister?
Yeah.
You know say you deserve this? My sister? Talk.
I did meet the two on the same time and miss the talk to one, I date the two on.
You know say you're devil's son? You're a devil's son. What else we need to know?
And the two on pregnant for me, I'm not.
So,
You never did figure that way, I'm there.
it did figure that way, yeah. The kid know what happened to you now. So that's it? Me need to know nothing more?
Don't kill me, do, please.
Me not fi kill you.
Please.
Me hand them clean. Me not fi kill you. Something else I kill you. Me? My hand them clean. Me not kill you. No.
Please.
Listen to me. You see something you just drink. Licky man. You have 15 minutes and 2 seconds for that and about 5 minutes gone already. So up and talk and go on. Please, wow. Please. When them I beg you out there, so please for take the baby. Please. When my sister I beg you, please for take the baby. What you say? And you're a baby, you don't know who breed with. Well, me don't know who kill you. Or you pan dead when me get rid of this. Or you pan go on, man. I don't know what you do yourself. I don't know why something never say 3 seconds. What? Anything else we need to know?
Me tell you everything.
Eh? So I'm making a dead yet? How long now? Hurry up, man. You see Karma? Karma is a bitch. You see man nothing licky. Hurry up. I wish my sister did there to see when you are dead. But you are there with 2 sisters. Hurry up and dead. Yeah. Yeah. That for the your soul not even gonna rest in peace, yo. Go on, the devil down there wait for his son. Or go on. My phone there. Kiera, which by you there? Girl, me just kill my baby father. Girl, certain things can't talk over your phone. Just hurry up and come. Alright.
Yeah, we are. Him? Are you baby father? What Let's see. Let's see. This are you baby father?
Girl, the boy sang a song, confess on something a while ago.
So you
Me
know.
really feel laugh.
You
He
know.
confessed before he dead. Jaja God. Man wicked in. If man and no Satan, there is no Satan. The boy say him look with the same time. Remember when they go to Ramtula in the supermarket?
Yeah.
And you tell me say the boy say I like you.
Yeah.
Not the same dirty drunk this. Me say if man and no Satan, there is no Satan. And Satan pitney that.
So let's see how we are game and how we are going to do with that.
What me I gonna do with that? We have to go do something to it. So that nobody no see me.
Come on, I say this a joke. Right now we can't, we don't even want to talk now. We talk later. Come on, we angle this first. Yeah, my sister, right now, me even can't say me because our we are sisters. We there with the same man and a fool for that film.
But the thing about it, the man never see there, he would have alive. We not no baby father. But time that we not no baby father. Honestly, me never want it. But like me just make my emotion get the best of me, yo.
You know, I'm not shit, no, I'm deal with this.
Come on.
Like one night. So you get him to go. We talk later. How deal with this one?
But we are gonna carry go, Kiera. We never think how we are carry body go.
We not think about that now.
So we can't carry that door make number say people the next door.
Join him through your window.
Come on. Get it, sit up on the door.
God, my heart. What knows, baby?
Girl, everything I take the joke. Well, at least we get
So
rid of
girl,
one less problem.
We have 2 more problems. We are going to see in them viewers of our life. Girl, what a nastiness. Food people are going to be niece and auntie and sister and brother.
And we can't dash away. We just have to do what we have to do at the end of the day. The poor picnic innocent. We can't do nothing.
So you get him over here if you get him to tell up.
Girl, I have to tell him that I feel sick and he run come. Like,
How where you give him?
you know, remember this something there what we did have? Where you would have thrown in the grass and they burn in the grass. That probably something they can throw in the grass and they burn in the grass. And that me I look great. Not me just I look and see it and I say that must help.
Work for it. So, we 2 of we have the same man all along and we don't know. How?
Girl, like funny, every time when this boy fi meet you, him mother sick. Every time when you fi make him meet me, someone come up. We not even there things like this boy using head power.
Me have to laugh, sister. So we full and dance.
But at the end of the day, as me and said, the pit they innocent, so we can't nothing. All we do, I just explain. I tell them so we kill their father, you know. But just explain to them what really happened. Honestly,
Sis, yeah, yourself, what if you explain to them and say, oh, you know that your father, with 2 of us dated the father, we didn't know. So here, meet your sister and your auntie.
no, but eventually, them are gonna know. Them have to know eventually. We have to give them full last name, you know. Them are question it. Why the 2 cousins them are, I should say, the 2 sisters them are 2 brothers them obviously. Why they get them mother last name? Eventually, we have to tell them the truth.
What we going to do now?
We
If nobody can
salty.
find me out, I never do this in my life. It's not sister IT department work. You know, the only thing they do a hack and thief people money out of it. I go, what do dead body police come find? What me have to go do?
Nobody
All of them
know.
place, so what? Me have to go clear surveillance camera and this leg. We ever get catch?
We not get catch as long as we have one in the bag. Honestly, we just need have to do
We watch
something.
enough show normally, miss them we take off them clothes and dash burn them. And you have to go wherever they come in and touch your wipe and say police will come. I'm not seeing long time like that, so I'm not tired to this one at all. Just you and you go call him, where phone there?
See there. And my number last time I called me a film phone, you know, and I go burn it.
Clean
Nobody
phone,
can find nothing
burn
like
it,
it.
close them and wipe them everywhere when you come in you come touch. Me I go over to find my alibi. I probably can call me auntie or so and make she send me the deal where
You see the camera where they out there so? How we try to talk to the neighbor and pay them off and make them just erase
you
what
don't have
happened.
to pay that we can hack in a apartment system and erase it.
Aye, me tell her, yo, me just traumatized. Like, me can't believe this nigga. I just say me just stay far from him and then me just buck me to and drop in this man in life. See it there?
But girl, me meet him when he left me say I go look me meet him right like he come to me like I look carpet.
He never want nothing. Man, I see it and he not. Girl, we just have to do what I do. Me don't know what more to do
Alright,
right
we
now.
just grow and go do that quick and fast before.
Aye, so I go wipe down the wall and something, man. Me that should have cheer you.
Alright, so me go grow. Remember, what take dash your chair, rope dash your rope, and the sheet, burn the sheet.
You know, come from my sheet. Me not gonna do it, I have to do and go bed and go sleep, because this is a whole process.
Yeah. If you hear my voice and Enjoyyy in a movie, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching to the end, I should say. If you enjoy, remember, comment, let me know your opinion, any suggestion anybody have. Remember that I need an actor or actress for Obsession Part 2. Link me up or link Toga up at miss._Janil on Instagram, Toga_official_ Instagram, and you can text Toga if you not get to me. Our number also they down in the description box below or somewhere on the screen. Subscribe to Kiera and Toga TV, watch a video of them, and there is a new movie over there by the name of The Deportee. If you're not watching it, you can go over there and watch it. The link I got there down in the description box below. Before I wanna go over to Instagram, type in Kiera's Fashion, the link I got there down in the description box below. Soon and very soon, probably next 2 weeks or so, I'm gonna launch out. So when you come, shop on a bag, on a phone case, party stuff, on a wallpapers, go up on wall, and etc. Clothes, everything over there. So just come over there. LED light where people put in their room. Come over there and come shop with me. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean?
Enormous. Instantaneous.